30 years. Erased by any mail at the crack of dawn. Jill was a technical writer at Oracle. She had been there since 1996. She wrote the manuals that train new employees. In January, her manager made a request. Document your entire workflow. She spent 3 months writing it down. Every process, every decision tree, every shortcut she had learned in 3 decades. She thought it was for a training manual. On March 31st, she was driving to surgery. Her manager called. Her position was eliminated. Oracle did not say she was fired. It said her role had been restructured. The email arrived at 6 in the morning. It came from a sender called Oracle Leadership. No human name, no phone number. By the time she read it, her badge was dead. Her laptop was locked. Her email was gone. 30,000 employees received the same message. On the same morning, at the same hour. The company was not losing money. It had just posted record cloud revenue. Jill was sitting in a hospital parking lot. She could not afford the surgery anymore. Her insurance had been tied to her employment. She opened her stock portfolio. It was empty. $300,000 in restricted stock. Gone because she was 90 days from vested. When you look at the exact dates for thousands of employees, the timing was not an accident. Analysts found a pattern in the layoff list. Employees close to vesting were disproportionately cut. But the real question was not who was fired. It was what they had been asked to do first. Without realizing it, they had documented their workflows. The documents were not for training manuals. They were for training models. Oracle had spent billions building AI data centers. They needed the data to fill them. The data was their employees' own expertise, and the machines followed it whole. Jill was not the only one. Time magazine found dozens of similar cases. Some employees had trained the AI for months. They recorded their screens, annotated their decisions. They were told it was for process improvement. But here is what the headlines missed entirely. This was not just Oracle. A company called Eightfold AI had built something else. It scraped data from LinkedIn, GitHub, and the open web. It built profiles on millions of job seekers. It scored every applicant from 0 to 5. The score decided who a recruiter would see. Below a 3, no human ever read your resume. The applicants did not know the score existed. They could not see it, challenge it, or correct it. The women filed a class action lawsuit. In China, a court ruled on the same question. A quality inspector named Zhu was replaced by A. His company offered him a 40% pay cut. When he refused, they fired him. The Hanghouse Court said the firing was illegal. Adoption cannot justify terminating employees. America, the law says something different. Able employment, no reason required. Amazon warehouse workers reported the same pattern. An app called A could be trapped there every second. Workers with disabilities were flagged automatically, terminated by the system, no manager involved. The algorithm does not hold exit interviews, just revokes your existence. Six months later, Oracle began rehiring for the same roles at lower salaries. The analysts called them speculative layoffs. Fire 30,000, wait for the AI to work. When it doesn't, hire them back for less. Still did not get a call back. Her workflow document is still in the system, locked in a permanent digital loop. The AI reads it every day. A company in Austin is asking the same thing. Another row of silent cubicles. Document your process. Record your decisions. A team in London is doing the same. Another city, the exact same extraction. The request always sounds reasonable. It is always for improvement. Oracle earned $46 billion last year. It paid Jill nothing for 30 years of knowledge. The stock she had earned was taken back. The system does not need a worker. It needs a workflow. Someone somewhere is writing one right now. She was just documenting her workflow.